husband's always complaining that I'm making things worse, not better, when I rearrange things. Hi, I'm Natalia. I help people create spaces that they love. This is what happens when you're too impatient for anybody to help you. My room is nowhere close to being what I would say is an ideal space. One, the person who lived here last painted it this purple color, which is a fine color. It's just not something that I love. Do you like the orange window trimmings? My house does have 5 fireplaces. 1 doesn't work. And 2, it just doesn't make it so we can really use the room. So today I put this sofa in front of it. The bed used to be on that wall between these 2 lights where that bookcase is. And when I was moving the bed, it fell on the light. Well, I really like those lights because they don't take up surface area on our nightstands. I think I'm getting over the style of them. I've had them for 3 years. What do you guys think? Should I keep them and just put new lampshades on them? Or should I get new lamps?